This is where we lived for the past 5 months on Hudson Street.
Come on in.
Spell.
No, please don't fall. So this is it. We finally made it.
Our beautiful home.
This is one of Mike's favorite places.
This is my favorite spot.
This is the computer area where he gets on and he...
right all up in here.
I'll let him
Put a
tell
little
you.
something on the thing, and then I just start rocking out. I have my headphones on, be like... and this little camera on.
Okay, cut. Let's go.
Don't forget the confessional.
This is our confessional.
Coral, go tell something about your life.
I'll tell him. And then one day, Mike I just really wanted to kill him, and that's what we do here.
It's pretty fun.
Pretty cool. This is my room.
It's a beautiful room.
It's the best room ever.
Oh.
This is our bathroom. It's not that
Look at the
eventful.
coins. That's some good stuff
coins.
right there. Look at that. I mean, that just makes me want to go to the bathroom.
You're silly.
It does.
Okay, this is where I
They get
slept.
busy.
This is where I did a lot of sleeping. No. This is where I did a lot of sleeping and a lot of nothing else. I did nothing else but sleep here. This is where Lori slept. She's all over here. Mm-hmm. This is our sitting area, sitting room where we had company and guests. We entertained people in this area
Had a
here.
little fun.
Yeah, here in this area. This fireplace doesn't work, but it's still cool.
Still looks cool.
Still, yeah. And it's all about looking cool.
Yes.
Next on the
Next,
line.
you just can't
You gotta
forget about
get
the fish tank.
the fish tank.
The fish tank is
Our beautiful tropical fish.
Fish
This
tank.
is our fish. Our webcam was in there, looking
And then
and spying
when
on
fish
us.
died, we put little tombs right here. There was like tons of them because fish just kept on dying. We had no idea why. No idea.
Hey, they got influence. This is our living room where we all chilled and hung out, and it has never,
Gorgeous.
yeah.
I actually used to sleep right there all the time. I'd just be sitting there. They used to call me the public sleeper because everyone would be walking around and stuff, and I'd just be sitting there drooling on myself and,
And we throw
everything.
stuff. Oh, we squirt water on his crotch.
Oh yeah, squirt water on my
It's fun.
crotch, whatever,
Yeah.
It's good jokes, all good fun.
So, good fun.
Bug room.
Bug room. Oh yeah.
Bug
This
room.
is the bug room. This is where we talked on the phone.
Nicole would
Oh my
be
God.
in here 24/7.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. That's Nicole.
And then you got your bed, your secret
Yeah,
bed.
this is the secret bed.
Secret
You know
hiding
what?
spot,
No, it's cool.
It's cool. It's
Yeah.
pretty fat. Little bugs all around. That's why we call it the bug room. It's pretty
This.
fat.
What's that?
Bar guide. Money.
This is Nicole's bathroom.
Yeah, no one was allowed in here.
No, there's a big sign on the door.
Big sign on the door said, "People suck. Don't go in my shower." Sorry.
Sorry,
Had
I'm sorry.
makeup everywhere.
Just had to go to the bathroom. This is Rachel and Nicole's room. This was Rachel's sleeping area over here. This
This is like a
Nicole's
boy
sleeping
room.
area.
This is so a boy room.
It's
I'm
not
still
a
mad
boy
about that. This is a boy room.
Well, that's your problem.
No, yeah, this is a
that.
fat room. Yep.
Don't forget our artwork.
Yeah, you
We
cannot
have
forget this
beautiful
artwork. This
Changing
artwork
colors.
is just
artwork.
synchronized, changing colors,
The nose.
faces, holograms. You just can't beat that artwork. I don't know how you can beat it.
With a stick, maybe.
Yep. Then you come up to here and you got this like beautiful thing. This
When we
used to
first,
be,
yeah, tell that story.
So when we first got here, this whole thing was filled with condoms.
Hey, let me see.
Oops, it's empty.
Hey, I wonder who's responsible for that, huh?
Not me. Not me.
Sure. Oh, this is our little,
This is our TV. This is our entertainment.
Lori
Yeah.
goes down there and does shows. We talk to people, we yell at people.
Oh, yeah,
It's
we
good.
got
It's
just
a
random
good-
people walking on
We
the
can
thing.
harass people with this whole thing.
It's great.
This is our little bar sitting area.
Pool table.
Pool
You cannot
table.
forget this.
It's not complete without the pool table. This is our nice painting
Yeah.
that Mike had a field day with in a wrestling
I
match.
don't even know if that was me, right?
It was you.
I don't know.
Water was
it's just-
squirted on the poor lady.
I don't know.
And it's over.
I get kind of crazy sometimes. It
Yeah,
happens.
crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is our kitchen.
Kitchen,
Which
we've had
is
our
usually full of dishes.
first and
Somebody
last
must
day.
have hired a maid today.
First and last day were the only times that we ever had like dinner together
Which is
here
fine, which is
on this
fine.
nice little marble table. This marble table brings me back memories because little beer pong, little
Yeah.
caps,
We played beer pong.
a lot of beer
Shoot.
games, a lot of discussions, a lot of talks.
I
Good table.
scrubbed this stove
So many times.
so many times.
So many times.
Let's go
So
to your
many
room.
times. No. We can't go to my room yet. You wanna know why?
Why? Oh, God.
This is my banister. This is the Mrs. Banister right here.
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen.
Listens
It is
to
the
crowd.
Miz. The Miz has a banister in the house.
Listens to the crowd. Hears him.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we're gonna go into the room of sex.
The room of sex? What are you talking
This is
about?
where
This is my room.
This is where all the sex in the house was
get
had.
out of here.
Come on.
Get out of here.
There was some sex had here. Little sex here. There was some sex had here.
I don't know what
There
you're
was a
talking-
porn shot here. There was a hand job given there. And basically, this
My
is the
bed was a
nasty
fun
room.
bed. This is not.
All
This is
nasty
a good
people
room.
sleep here. Nasty.
This is the good room. I
You're
love this
nasty.
room. I had so much fun in
The
this bed.
nasty
This
room.
bed was great. I don't know what
Nasty.
you're Don't be jealous. Don't be
Nasty.
mad. Don't be a
There are
hater.
video cameras. There are video cameras on the beds, okay?
Yeah, I
Both
really
beds.
didn't think about that when I was
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. This
Whoa,
is...
I want one more thing. One more thing. I want you to look around. There's 3 guys in this room. Do you see any dressers whatsoever? No. We have this little thing that you call. Look at this. This is tiny. How can 3 guys
Stop
fit all
your
their stuff?
bitching.
Oh.
Let's go to your bathroom, masturbator.
Oh yes. The bathroom is the bomb.
The bathroom,
How can you beat this? I can sit and take a shower. How can you beat that?
you can sit and take a shower and beat off, which is what he did, ladies and gentlemen. Masturbated in the shower almost every day. Every day.
Get it straight at least.
Disgusting. Okay, this was the bathroom, and I swear to God, I would never, ever use the bathroom in here.
Why not?
You guys
it
were
was
the
clean.
dirtiest.
It was. So, I wasn't. I'm a
Mike
clean
can
freak.
change his sheets for 17 weeks. Okay, how's that for clean? Yeah, not too clean, is it? Nope. We're gonna take you up to the roof now for all our outdoor barbecues and parties.
It
Right
is bad.
Oh,
Oops, daisies. Oops, the daisies. So then we got out here. How can you
beautiful.
beat it?
you
How
can't.
can you beat it? Look at it around. Look around. Look at this view.
Hi.
So beautiful.
Hi. I'm hanging out in a big water tank.
So am I.
Hey, right on.
I actually slept in here one day
I'm
when
sure.
it was like 80
oh,
degrees.
It was 80 degrees, yeah.
And I
right?
was just like, it's too hot in the house to sleep, so I slept right in there. So
There are
comfortable.
smokers in the house,
Great.
and smoking is bad for your health.
Definitely bad
Do
for
not
your health.
smoke. Bad for
Also,
you.
we had like a party up here where Coral was hit on by
Yeah, oh wait, no.
a great singer.
Bad.
Yeah,
Bad idea.
you liked that, didn't you?
Yeah.
And we had a couple parties up here. It was awesome. We couldn't really use it that much in the winter, but when it came out springtime, we used it all the time.
Time and time again. huh?
Time
Let's
again.
say time about 5 more
Yeah.
times. Time it. What time is it? Is it time?
It's time to go.
We're out of here.
Check ya!
Thanks for coming and hanging out with us. at the
In our
House.
beautiful household.
A beautiful,
It's a household night.
beautiful house. Be very sad to leave, Mikey.
I'm so sad. Look at this. Look at this. Banister.
Oh, God. Bye.
Yeah. Woo! See you guys.